Ako na lang. Ako na lang ulit.
Mahal ko si Trisha.
Alam ko. Alam ko.
She loved me at my worst. You had me at my best. At pinali mo naman ang lahat yun.
Babae ba talaga yung tingin mo? I just made a choice.
And you chose to ignore.